A lot of singers get really confused in how to apply breath support to singing. I'm going to give you my favorite breath support technique or tool, and then we're going to apply it to 7 exercises. Plus, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Can we please make this simple? Welcome back to another edition of Victoria's Vocal Tips. 34 years of teaching voice, 46 years of studying voice, all different styles. My students have ranged from ultra beginners all the way through advanced touring professionals, voice teachers, choral directors, and competition winners. I always give you serious vocal technique made simple and fun. Breath support is your balance of airflow and resistance. It is how you manage and budget your air for the sound that you want. Now, we don't have time to get into detailed specifics today, so if you need more help, make sure to see my playlist on breath support, the basics. Okay, the easiest and most straightforward exercise to apply breath support to singing is the lip trill, and then I'm going to give you 2 other alternatives if you have trouble with lip trills. So here's the lip trill. Do it with me, please, and you can hoist your cheeks up if it makes it easier for you, like this. Here we go. So not this, or not this, no. If you do this, that's too much airflow and not enough resistance. If you do this, that's probably tight in the mouth and squeezing the airflow. So remember, this doesn't take a lot of air. It's a fine stream of air. Can we do it again, please? Okay. Other alternative is the tongue trill. Let's try that. Or else you can do the V. Let's do that. Do the lip trill if you can, or else pick which one you like best. But what are we doing here? Okay, put your hands here around the midsection, and what do you feel? Whenever people tell me they don't understand breath support, I just say, just do the lip trill or the V, or shh, or okay? You feel that engagement around the midsection? It's not locked, or else you wouldn't be able to do the trill. You'd be like, see? When people are tight, they can't do the lip trill. And when they blow out too much air, they can't do the lip trill, or the tongue trill, or the V. So let's do it again. Put your hands here around the midsection before we go to our other exercises. Great. If you need more help, see my video on lip trills and alternatives. Are they helpful or just hype? Exercise 1. We're going to do the lip trill or the tongue trill or the V in a 5-tone scale like this. Tongue trill. V. Pick which one you like best. Okay? I'm going to be here on G4. Lower voices can be down there on G3. Here we go. Again. Breathe. Breathe. Good. Now remember, we're not just over here fooling around, right? You're feeling that balance of airflow and resistance. 2 more. 1 more. Great. Now we're going to go from the lip trill or alternative into a vowel, like this. Keeping the same balance of airflow and resistance when I sing the vowel. Here we go. Breathe. Breathe. Yeah, this needs to be in one breath, okay? So nobody's going, no, that's not the exercise, and that's not going to help you with anything. Here we go. One more. Okay, exercise 3. We're going to stick with the same 5-tone scale, but we're going to change vowels to E, and we're going to do it a lot faster. So it's going to be like this. Here we go. Breathe. You notice these breaths have to be fast. Here we go. Sing. One more. Now remember, fast singing takes less air, or else you're just going to be blowing your voice out. If you need more help, see my playlist on how to sing fast songs. Exercise 4. You guessed it, we're going to take the same exercise, but now we're going to do it slowly. Like this. This takes more control. Here we go. Breathe and don't rush. In one breath if possible. You're building stamina. Breathe. Last one. So how did you do? Did you get tired? You see how useful these exercises are? Keep this kind of work up to build more control and manage your breath more efficiently. Now, if you have trouble holding long notes, I have a playlist for you. See my playlist on how to hold long notes. Now, we're going to change things up for the next 3 exercises. But before we do that, I hope you see the importance of having a structured practice plan with targeted exercises. These exercises that we just did on breath support are part of your maintaining strength. All singers have to strength train to stay healthy. If you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's Victorious Vocal Exercise Program, I don't know why you've been waiting. The program is huge. It comes in 4 different voice types. I give you a short and a long workout, plus literally hundreds of options for whatever your vocal needs are. We have a section on breathing and breath support. We have 2 sections on vowels. We have a section on style, on vocal colors, a super important section on the vocal bridge or passaggio. The exercises will probably take you through your whole singing life, and it's super affordable, and the best part is I do regular group classes with members and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Okay, the next 3 exercises are going to be dealing with sustained tones. So you're going to go from your lip trill or chosen alternative into sustaining a vowel. And I think we're going to go back to ah. So it's going to be over 4 beats like this. Listen. Off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 off. Okay? I'm on middle C. Lower voices can be on C3. Here we go. Off. Sing. Sing. Having fun? Last one. I hope this is becoming clearer to you how to apply breath support to your singing. Exercise 6. we're going to take the same exercise, but now we're going to sustain it over 6 beats like this. Off. Here we go. Breathe. 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 Building strength. Great. Exercise 7. Okay, now we're ready for 8 beats like this. Off. Here we go. Breathe. All in one breath. Breathe. Breathe. Ooh, I'm feeling kind of feisty today. I think I'm going to give you a bonus exercise. We're going to do the same exercises over 8 beats, but you know what I'm going to say next? Slowly. Like this. Off. Now, this is a real challenge. In order to sustain anything, you have to keep your airflow consistent. So if you go, and all of a sudden you start blowing out too much air, then of course your tone is going to fall apart and the sound is not going to be even. And also, by keeping this consistent fine stream of air, your vibrato will be more even, because if you start holding your breath again or blowing out too much air or getting tight, it's going to affect your vibrato and it's going to show up in these long held notes. Okay, here we go. I'm going to stick with the lip trill. Breathe. 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 Last one. Don't forget to record yourself in your practice so that you can be your own vocal guide. So today I took you from easy exercises all the way to more challenging. If you need more help, please see my playlist on breath support, the basics. And if you want to work on your vibrato, I have a big playlist on that too, Vibrato in Singing. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.